What's good, guys? So today I'm about to clean my PC because that is dirty as. Remember, I built this last year, February, so I've had it for a year and like 7 months now, and I'm running out of storage. I bought 4 terabytes of an NVMe, whatever that is. Like, I bought it, it's coming today. Hopefully it comes by 10. I had a spare one because I bought it when I bought it last year. I only thought it had 1 slot, but it turns out it has 3, and I lost it. So hopefully I can find that around the house. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it now. Yeah, let's go. Look at my PC, man. This due for a clean out. Kind of dusty, bruh. Very dusty. I ordered a new, what's it called, NVMe storage, 4 TB, because all these videos, yeah, eating up my storage. But this is dusty. I'm thinking of putting another fan here because I got 3 here. There's 1 going out. I need to make it equal, but I've had this for 2 years. It's doing its job. Let me clean it up quickly. Let's go.
I've been on the road for 100 nights. Praise to the Most High, 'cause I love my life. I've been on the road for 100. I've been on the road for 100. I've been on the road for 100 nights. Aston, we're doing an excursion. Ride out, we're doing an incursion. We got manners, we're doing it in person. Shots through the window and it's curtains.
So basically, after I cleared the PC, I took out the motherboard because I needed to find space to attach the external storage I just bought. So this section of the PC right here, that's been highlighted in blue, this is why I needed to install it, but the graphics card was blocking it and I couldn't remove it because of that little red latch. And then I took the whole thing out and managed to get the graphics card out. Yeah, anyway, this is the graphics card I have, the Radeon 6700 XT. Anyway, back to the video. Taking it apart, remove the motherboard, blow that fan, dust it out, waiting for that thing. It says the guy's 4 stops away. It's been like 10 minutes. Like, bro, hurry up. I don't want to use my PC, man. Oh my goodness. Anyway, when it comes, see what it looks like. I've already taken out the slot. I'm gonna slot it in. The place I'm gonna slot it in anyway. So yeah. Rain, bruh. Typical UK, man. It's even getting worse. Look, oh my god. Jeez Louise, bro. Look, such as, hey.
Have you got your one-time passcode?
Yeah, 984
984
260.
Yeah.
Thank you. We will be there. Jeez, this shit is drenched. Go away your video, Crody. Let's see. I paid £200 for. Wait. Okay. There we go. 4 TB of space. Let's get it, man. Right there. It's in. It's in there. After I put the SSD in, I had to put everything back in place, and the screw to fix it back in was so small. I had to ask my uncle to get like a little magnetic screwdriver because the screws was going all over the place, and since the PC was expensive, I can't be just jamming the screwdriver anyway. I had to make sure it was working properly. Next step was to put the motherboard back in the PC. I can't lie, this was like the hardest step. I had to be extra careful because they don't want to break this and there would be no one to fix it for me because obviously I had my dissertation on there. Can't lie, that wasn't the smartest move. I should have taken everything out. But I took a video on my phone and recorded myself removing all the cables, and then I just managed to put it back the right way around.
love my life. I like them girls, but I
I think the whole process took to like 30 minutes, 20, actually more than that, probably like 20, 30 to 40 minutes, because I had to put the graphics card back in and I was having some issues with that, and I had to take the whole thing out again. I didn't record that, I sped this up. I think this video was like around an hour long, so yeah, shows how long it took. Managed to fix it all anyway, so that's all that happened. So guys, stopped recording because things got long yesterday, but here's the PC all ready right here, clean already. I set it all up, everything's working except from this fan here. I don't know why. I tried to sort that out, but it wasn't working. These two fans are working. The storage is in. This is the 4 terabytes. Comes up as 3.6. I don't know why it does that, but yeah. What initially happened, the first time I set it up, why is it working out? Yeah, the first time I set it up, it didn't come up on the computer, so I had to take apart the whole thing again. I put it in a different tray and I removed like this protective cover over the heatsink, and then it ended up working, so it's all good. Yeah, that's it, but I'm glad everything's sorted. It took so long to unscrew that thing. I remember when I first built it last year, February, I watched a YouTube video. That took me 2 days. First thing that happened, the case came and I couldn't find like a certain bit, so I had to buy another case. And it turns out that case had it was just like in a hidden compartment. But yeah, PC's all working, got hella space. I record hella, but I don't post it. So maybe I'll post this one. If I post it, you'll see it. But anyway, catch you guys later. Love.